welcome to my channel. Today I'll try to discuss third chapter, first point, that how the Mahabharata's critical edition was composed. Now, when we'll try to discuss this particular point, all time, as I mentioned in my first page, intro video of this chapter 3, that time I had mentioned these points very clearly that we are going to discuss about the social history of 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. Now, through the window of the several books, here we are taking the Mahabharata. But before taking the Mahabharata, we need to know that how this modern Mahabharata actually came in form. For that reasons, we need to look at the past. V.S. Subtankar, our greatest Sanskritist, who and his team had done a magnificent work for composing or for the critical edition of the Mahabharata. What they had done. Now, if you visit from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from the Eastern India to Western India, you will find different kind of Mahabharata that time. So what they had done? They had tried to collect different Mahabharata from different part of the India. When they are collected, at that time they are observed that different Mahabharata also having different kind of stories. Even some Mahabharata also having regional differences. So here is the main concept. They are confused that which portion is correct and which portion is actually wrong. And now they were doing a different work. What they had done? For taking out the main portions, which verses were similar among the maximum Mahabharatas, they had taken that portions. After taking the similar portions, they had finally matched with the each manuscript. If it is common, they are taken. If it is not, they tried to keep it to the side. To these ways, they had tried to collect the verses from the different Mahabharatas. And after that one, when they got the Mahabharata, it was near about 13,000 pages. Imagine, 13,000 pages. And for this work, it never took near about 47 years. 47 years. So after taking this such a period of time, they were able to manage these things. And what the version they had found, what they had done, they had given that versions in the footnote of that Mahabharatas. So in 19th century and 20th century, actually, the social history actually become popular, and historians through the different ways, they tried to explain about the social histories. And we need to keep in mind that through the stories, through the different kind of stories of Mahabharata, we'll try to look back of that particular period. And as it is believed by the many people, actually, whatever had been done that period, it was mentioned in the Mahabharatas. So, quite natural, it may not be true together all concept may not be true, but in some portion we can get some fact or little bit from that period by this kind of stories. That is why here in this third chapter we are going to discuss about the Mahabharatas, and through the window of Mahabharata we will try to look at the back of that past from 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. So all my dear students, today I have discussed about how the critical edition of Mahabharata was composed. Now, after discussing the small points, I am asking few questions and you try to give the answer. First question, name the greatest Sanskritist who tried to prepare a critical edition of Mahabharata. First question. Second question, how many years they had taken? Third question, why Mahabharata important regarding the social history? You try to give the answer. If you want to write the answer, you can write in our comment box also, and suggestion also you can give in our comment box. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.